Hi. So today we are going to talk about how to duplicate pages in WordPress. Now we are going to discuss two scenarios. Number one, if I want to duplicate pages in the same domain, let's say I wanted to duplicate pages in TPR only. And second is going to be if I want to duplicate a page from TPR and going to migrate it towards another domain. That will be my subdomain. Alright, so let's start. For that, we are going to go in the WordPress dashboard, pages, and we are going to select the page that we want. Now, I've created a dummy page. Let's preview it. Yeah, I used this particular page in previous video as well. So we are going to use this page for duplication. Now, first, I'm going to change the status from draft to published. I'm going to just quick edit it and update. Now, if I want to duplicate it in my original domain, that means in TPR, I'm going to use a plugin. For that, I'm going to go in plugins, click on add new plugin and search for page duplicate. That's it. Now you can see a various number of duplicating tools here, right? Page duplicate, language translate widget, that's not useful. All right. So we can see here that this particular plugin, I use it. It has 3 plus millions active installations and has pretty good reviews. I've already installed it. You are going to click on install now, just like here. I'm just going to update it and wait for it. Now it's updated. Once it's installed, you can go to plugins and you will find this plugin here. I'm just going to activate it. This plugin is very useful. It does not create any external cache or interact with the theme or any other plugin. So that is why I prefer it. You can even duplicate post with it. So let's go to dummy page. And now you can see that our option of duplicate this is present here. Now, I've already shown you the preview of dummy page. I'm just going to duplicate this. And you can see this is my original dummy page that I published earlier before installing the plugin. And now there's another page, dummy page with draft Elementor heading. Click on edit. What you will notice is its permalink will have an extension of 2. That means it's duplicated. What you can do is just change the name like duplicated page and do the same with permalink because you cannot have this kind of permalink with -2 or -3 part. Publish, and now you have it. Your page is duplicated. You can either view your page with this link or just click on edit with Elementor here, just like that, so that you can just edit this page. This technique is very useful if you have a website like blog posting or and series of events like posting some itinerary or any other thing which have a similar structure. All you got to do is now change the headings. Let's say container ID 12, change the image, change this particular gallery and so on according to yourself. Right? Now let's just update it. Second thing, that's the easy part where you have to duplicate your page on your same domain. But what if I want this page to be transferred to another domain? Really hard, na? Let's see how we can do. Click on this arrow, click on save as template. I'm going to say it as duplicate, sorry, duplicated page. All right, save as template. Now you can see that duplicated page is appearing in my template. Now click on export. It will give you an JSON file of this whole page. Click cross, update it, and then just exit. Now I'm going to open my another domain. This is my subdomain which I use for research purpose. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pages and add new. I'm going to name it duplicate page and publish. Once it published, I click on edit with Elementor. And once my page is loaded, remember the JSON file I just downloaded? It will be saved in my local storage. I'm going to click on this add template, import template, and just import the JSON file that I just downloaded from TPR. Remember, the JSON file that you receive might contain any external virus. So make sure that you are getting your JSON file from a reliable source. Alright. Now you can see that duplicated page is here and its type is page. I'm just going to insert it. And you can see now that same template is here now, right? The post data that is saved in this particular domain is here. The gallery is with the same images because it was the extension of the template, and the IDs and all are same. This method is really useful if you have two similar websites or going to be creating another website which is going to be of same structure. It saves your time and energy because we all know that we are familiar with the concepts of WordPress and the properties. So why not save our time as much as we can? So yeah, thank you.